Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening display settings so you can change the system zoom and see results immediately. Right-click your desktop and choose Display Settings. Once done, look under Scale and Layout for the current percentage. You're doing this because System Scale controls text, apps, and UI size across windows. Make sure you have admin access if you need system-wide changes. Otherwise, the adjustment may be limited to your account. Next, change the scale or use magnifier depending on whether you want a persistent or temporary zoom. Choose a preset percent in scale and layout. Pick 125% or 150% if text feels small, and apply. Some apps require sign out to refresh. Alternatively, press Windows key plus to open magnifier for on-the-fly zoom. It's great for short tasks. If presets are not right, enter a custom scaling value in Advanced Scaling Settings and sign out to apply changes. Finally, confirm the change and tidy up any app-specific issues. After you apply a new scale, sign out or restart so all apps refresh. Once back, check browsers and Office and adjust their internal zoom if needed. Make sure to test typical apps and resize windows to verify layout. If something goes wrong, try this. Check app compatibility scaling in the app's properties, right arrow change high DPI settings, and update your graphics driver. That usually fixes blur or scaling glitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.